This dance is called Messed Up in Memphis. It's a 64 count, 4 wall, intermediate level line dance with 1 restart. Starting on the left foot, you're going to step the left to the side, you're going to touch the right beside the left, put the right to the side, touch the right beside the left. Step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, point the right left to the side, and then touch the left beside the right again. That set of steps once more then. Side points off on the left. 7, 8. Side, in, side, in, out, in. Add on a scissor step, left foot leading, side, close, cross, hold. You're going to rock to the side on the right. As you recover your weight, you're going to make a quarter turn left, step forward on that right, hold. That set of steps once more then, scissor step off on the left. 7, 8, scissor step, hold, rock, turn, step, hold. Let's add that to the top. Side points off on the left. 7, 8, side, in, side, in, out, in. Scissor step, hold, rock, turn, step, hold. You're going into a full triple turn over 3 steps. So you'll make half a turn right as you step back on that left, half a turn right as you step forward on the right, then step forward on the left. Hold. You're going to step forward on the right, touch the left behind the right, step back on that left, kick the right forward. That set of steps once more then, full triple turn off on the left. 7, 8, full triple turn, hold, step, touch, back, kick. Now it is by virtue of its name a full turn that you are doing with that full triple turn. Should you wish to try and take that out, just turn it into a shuffle step. So instead of turning left, shuffle, hold, and then step, touch, back, kick. So non-turning step should you need to take that full turn out from that section. Now I will demonstrate that full triple turn whilst we're doing the walkthrough. I'll actually be doing the non-turning shuffle step when the music is on, but I'll still call out full triple turn so you know where it is in the dance. Let's add that to the top. Side points on the left. 7, 8, side, in, side, in, out, in. Scissor step, hold, rock, turn, step, hold. Full triple turn, hold, step, touch, back, kick. Add on a back lock step, right foot leading, back, lock, back, hold, and a reverse rocking chair. So you're going to rock back on that left, recover your weight on the right, rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right. That set of steps once more then, back lock up on the right. 7, 8, back, lock, back, hold, rocking chair. That's our halfway point, let's take it up to there. Side point off on the left. 7, 8, side, in, side, in, out, in. Scissor step, hold, rock, turn, step, hold. Full triple turn, hold, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, hold, rocking chair. So for our second half of the dance, start off with a scissor step off on that left. Side, close, cross, hold. And into a vine quarter turn. Side, behind, quarter turn, hold. That set of steps once more then, scissor step off on that left. 7, 8, side, close, cross, hold, side, behind, turn, hold. Add on a chase half turn, step forward on the left, pivot half a turn to the right, step forward on the left, hold. You're now going into a series of turns. So you're going to do the equivalent of a full turn, but there's going to be 4 steps or movements you're going to do. So you're going to start by doing half a turn left as you step back on that right, touch the left beside the right, then a further half a turn left as you step forward on the left, brush the right. That set of steps once more then. Chase half turn and into that full turn with your touch and brush. Off on the left. 7, 8. Step, pivot, step, hold, turn, touch, turn, brush. So that last sequence there is the equivalent of a full turn, but what you have also got is a 3/4 of turn straddling those last 2 sections. So you do your vine quarter turn and then into your chase half a turn. So there are 2 different non-turning options here. So if you need to take out that 3/4 of turn, what you can actually do your scissor step and then vine, but instead of turning right, turn a quarter turn left as you step back on that right. Then instead of that chase half turn, you can just rock back, recover, step forward. So that will take out the 3/4 of a turn should you need to do that. With this next set, you need to take that out, literally step forward on the right, touch the left beside the right, step forward on the right, brush the right. Step forward on the left, brush the right through. So 2 different options there for you taking the turns out. So you've got an option for taking the 3/4 and an option for taking out the full turn at the end there. Now I will demonstrate that full turn at the end, the half turn touch, half turn brush, whilst we're actually doing the walkthrough. When it comes to the music, I will probably do a 50-50. So some of the walls I will actually put that in, and some of the walls I will take it out and do the non-turning steps, but I'll still call out the turn, touch, turn, brush option so you know where it is in the dance. So you're going to add on a mambo step, so you can rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, step that right beside the left, hold. And then a modified sailor quarter turn, so you're going to cross that left behind the right, you make that quarter turn left, right to the side, step forward on the left, then hold. That set of steps once more then, mambo and sailor, off on the right. 7, 8, mambo step, hold, sailor, turn, hold. Let's add that to our halfway point. Scissor step off on the left. 7, 8, scissor step, hold, side, behind, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, turn, touch, turn, brush, mambo step, hold, sailor, turn, hold. Add on a chase half turn, step forward on the right, pivot half a turn left, step forward on the right, hold. You've now got another set of those turns, turn, touch, turn, brush, but you're going to be turning the opposite way. So you're going to make half a turn right, so you step back on that left, touch the right beside the left, half a turn right, step forward on that right, brush the left forward. That set of steps once more then. Chase half turn up on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, step, hold, turn, touch, turn, brush. So exactly the same as that previous section, you have got your 3/4 of a turn straddling these last 2 sections, and then that full turn element right at the end. So the full turn bit, again, if you need to take that out, step, touch, step, brush. Nice and simple. And again with that one, I'll do exactly the same as I did with the other one. I'll walk it through as we're doing the walkthrough, but I'll take the odd one out and we'll be doing the knot and turning steps occasionally. We'll see how we go on with the music. Okay, but I'll still call out those full turn steps so you know where they are. For the other straddling section, you have got your sailor quarter turn, followed by your chase half turn. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do your mambo step, then do a sailor step, but do not turn. So a normal sailor step. And then instead of doing your chase, what you're actually going to do is do a quarter turn side rock. So you're going to rock, turn, quarter turn to the right, you rock back on that right, recover your weight on the left, and then step forward, and then you can add on that full turn element at the end. So again, some options there should you need to take out any element of those turns in those last two sections. So it is the end of the dance when you get to that second full turn bit. Let's add that to the rest of our halfway section. Scissor step off on the left. 7, 8, scissor step, hold, side, behind, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, turn, touch, turn, brush, mambo, step, hold, sailor, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, turn, touch, turn, brush. That's your two halves. Let's put them together. Side point on the left. 7, 8, side, in, side, in, out, in, scissor, step, hold, rock, turn, step, hold, full, triple, turn, hold, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, hold, rocking chair, scissor, step, hold, side, behind, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, turn, touch, turn, brush, mambo, step, hold, sailor, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, turn, touch, turn, brush. So that is your dance, and not an and count in sight. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side point off on the left. 7, 8, side, in, side, in, out, in, scissor, step, hold, rock, turn, step, hold, full, triple turn, hold, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, hold, rocking chair, scissor, step, hold, side, behind, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, turn, touch, turn, brush, mambo, step, hold, sailor, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, turn, touch, turn, brush. Side, in, side, out, in, scissor, step, hold, rock, turn, step, hold, full, triple turn, hold, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, hold, rocking chair. Scissor, step, hold, side, behind, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, turn, touch, turn, brush, mambo, step, hold, sailor, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, turn, touch, turn, brush, side, in, side, out, in, scissor, step, rock, turn, step, full, triple turn, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, rocking chair, scissor, step, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, turn, touch, turn, brush, mambo, step, sailor, turn, step, pivot, step, turn, touch, turn, brush. So that is your dance. Now there is one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 4 after 32 counts, so halfway through the dance. You will have just done your reverse rocking chair and you restart. Wall 4 is our 3 o'clock wall. Let's take you up to 32 counts and restart. Side point off on the left. 7, 8, side, in, side, in, out, in, scissor, step, rock, turn, step, full, triple turn, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, rock, rocking chair. Restart, side, in, out, in, side, in, out, in. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. 32 counts into wall 4, restart. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough and your restart information. Let's give it a go to Ben Music.
5, 6, 7, 8, side in, out in, side in, out in, scissor step, rock turn step, full triple turn, step touch back kick back lock back, rocking chair, scissor step, side behind turn, step pivot step, turn touch turn brush mambo step, sailor turn, step pivot step, turn touch turn brush side in, out in, side in, out in, scissor step, rock turn step, full triple turn, step touch back kick back lock back, rocking chair, scissor step, side behind turn, step pivot step, turn touch turn brush mambo step, sailor turn, step pivot step, turn touch turn brush side in, out in, side in, out in, scissor step, rock turn step, full triple turn, step touch back kick back lock back, rocking chair, scissor step, side behind turn, step pivot step, turn touch turn brush mambo step, sailor turn, step pivot step, turn touch turn brush side punch restart wall, scissor step, rock turn step, full triple turn, step touch back kick back lock back, rocking chair restart side points, scissors, full triple, back lock, scissors, chase, mambo, chase, side points, scissors, full triple, back lock, scissors, chase, mambo, chase, side points, scissors, full triple, back lock, scissors, chase, mambo, chase, side points, scissors, full triple, back lock, scissors, chase, mambo, chase. Hope you managed that one.